In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move elements in Card.co. First, open your browser and head to Card. Sign into your account so you can access your dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see them all listed here. Take a moment to confirm you're opening the correct project, especially if you have several similar versions. This helps you avoid moving content on the wrong site by accident and keeps your workflow clean and stress-free. Next, open the site you want to edit by clicking the pencil icon. That takes you into the card builder, where you'll see your page on the canvas and, depending on your layout, a set of controls and settings on the side. Get oriented for a moment. When you click an element, like text, images, buttons, or containers, it will be highlighted so you know exactly what you're working with. If something isn't selecting the way you expect, try clicking slightly outside it and then back on it, or zooming in so you can grab the right layer. Small elements can be easier to select once you're zoomed closer. Now, to move an element, simply click and hold it on the canvas, then drag it to its new spot. As you move it, look for alignment cues or guides that help you keep things neat and consistent. If you're working with a container or a section, make sure you're moving the element inside the correct area. Notice the subtle outlines and how the element snaps into place. If your layout is tightly packed, drag slowly and pause occasionally to let Card register the new position. When you're arranging multiple pieces, move the largest or most important element first, then place the smaller ones around it for a cleaner composition. If an element feels stuck, it may be nested inside another element. Try selecting the parent container, then reselect the item you want to move. As you place things, it's a great idea to preview how your changes look on different screen sizes. Toggle the mobile view to confirm your content still reads well on smaller screens, and make minor adjustments if needed so text doesn't crowd images or fall out of alignment. When you're happy with the layout, publish your site to save the changes. Publishing not only stores your edits, but also makes them live for viewers. Give the page a quick check in a separate browser tab to confirm everything looks the way you intended. That's it. You've successfully moved elements in Card. With a few careful drags and a quick publish, your layout can look polished, balanced, and ready to share.